Hi, welcome back to ARA Adventures. Today I am going to show you what I pack while going on a cruise. We are leaving for a Disney cruise in a few days. It is only a 3-night cruise, so not as much stuff as you need for a week long. But yeah, first thing we need, I'm packing only in this backpack because we are flying Spirit. And as everybody knows, Spirit flights charge a lot for your bags. This does pass the personal item check, so yeah, that is what I'm going to be packing in. So yeah, backpack off of Amazon, I believe. And then what I also use, it's already packed, I'm going to be taking the stuff out, but this packing cube, this whole packing cube fits in that backpack, which is surprising, but it does. So honestly, I have quite a bit of stuff in here. So yeah, let's go through everything that I have packed and that I am bringing on our 3-night cruise. It's going to Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point, I think is what it's called, and Nassau, but we are not getting off in Nassau because we have been there a bunch. So yeah, start off with the swimsuits. I got this one right here. It's a bikini off of Amazon, super cute. Then I'm also going to bring a one piece just depending on what I want to wear. Yeah, I got this from Target, I believe. Then I have my swimsuit cover up, which is just a black dress. Then I have a Cars t-shirt, a Mickey and Minnie cruising shirt that I got last year, I believe, when my mom and sister and Juanita went on a cruise. Then I got another Mickey shirt because, you know, gotta have your Mickey stuff. Some biker shorts just in case I need them. Some basic tank tops. I have 2 white ones and 1 black one. And I have some leggings, a pair of jean shorts, another pair of jean shorts, this cute little Mickey Mouse baseball jersey style shirt. All right, and then I have 3 dresses, 1 dress for each night of dinner. I just have this little cute short sundress. I'll actually be wearing this getting on the cruise, just a long sundress. And then this sundress as well. So yeah, I'll be wearing my Mickey ears getting on the cruise. These are off of Amazon. They were only like $10, so. And then I'll be wearing this on the plane, but Disney Cruise Line sweatshirt that I actually made. Then I'm gonna be bringing these tennis shoes. They're a little worn, but cute. And these sandals. This is what I wear to the pool and the beach. And then I also need to get a pair of nicer sandals from my mom that I'm going to be borrowing from her to wear to Palo and to dinners. And then underwear and socks. So yeah, that's what is in my packing cube, surprisingly. And then let's go on to toiletries. I'm not bringing that much makeup just because I don't need it. I don't use a lot of makeup, so I have 3 makeup brushes. Tape, because I use tape to do my winged eyeliner. A little midi razor. I have some hair ties and bobby pins if needed. My lip liner, my eyebrow liner. A little thing of bronzer. A little eyeshadow. And powder. Oh yeah, well, the rest of my makeup is in my bag, my liquids bag. I forgot about that. So since we're flying, it's over here. Foundation, concealer, lipstick or lip gloss, little mini mascara, and here's a lip gloss. And my primer and blush. So yeah, just the basics for makeup. The other stuff in here is toothpaste, makeup remover. I bring Icy Hot just in case I need it. Oh, and my setting spray for my makeup. I do have another bag of liquids that's gonna go in my husband's backpack because this is stuff that it was in our emergency kit that it can't fly outside of a bag. So Tide Pen, Afrin, chafing cream, face sunscreen, and then I have these bottles of sunscreen and this little spray of sunscreen. So yeah, that's going in his bag. Oh, and sorry, hand sanitizer. Then I have our emergency kit that has the rest of the stuff in it that I bring on every cruise just in case I need it, or really any trip that I go on. It has these C-bands. I've never used these, so we'll see if they work. I don't usually get motion sick, but I've been having some inner ear problems, so we'll see. I might actually need them. And then I just have a few Band-Aids just in case. Ibuprofen, Tylenol, some toothpicks and floss, some ginger chews again if needed, some chapstick, and a dental repair kit just in case, you know, filling comes out or anything. You don't want to be stuck on a ship with some tooth pain. That would absolutely suck. And then I have my jewelry case. So I am bringing, I don't really wear a lot of jewelry, but here it is. I'm bringing these Bauble Bar, oh, shoot, they're together. Well, they're stuck together, but Bauble Bar earrings. And then I have these little Mickey earring studs and some hoops and then just one necklace. So that. Oh, and then I will also bring like my curling iron, but that's just in the bathroom. So yeah, I think that is everything I am bringing on. Oh yeah, and one good thing about Disney Cruise Line is if you have cruised before with them, you are now a silver Castaway Key Club member, and they will give you a beach bag when you get on. It will be in your stateroom, so I don't even need to worry about bringing that, so that is nice. But yeah, I think that is it that I'm bringing for myself. I'm gonna pack it all up. I just realized clearly I do bring deodorant and a toothbrush as well. I guess I didn't have it in this video, but it is in my bathroom and it will be good. So I just want to show you guys what the packing cube looks like when I am, sorry, this angle is horrible, done packing it up. It does have these straps. Granted, I broke mine because I do overpack this probably more than it needs to be. So one works, the other one does not. So that clips in, and I just kind of smush everything down, then bring this over and zip it. Hold on. This stuff does hold, or this does hold a lot of stuff, luckily. Now, I probably put way too much in it, but it does its job. And then it is in there. All right, so then when that is done, I grab my backpack, which I do like that this opens up fully like this, and it just fits right, hold on, let me get it in, I'll show you guys. Right inside like that. So yeah, and then it doesn't leave a lot of room for other things, but once you close it and then bring it up, there is a little extra space for like your toiletry kit in there. Oh yeah, another thing. I know that some people do fish extenders on Disney Cruise. Obviously, if we did that, we would have to be taking another suitcase because we do not have enough room in backpacks. but we are skipping that this cruise because we do not have a lot of room, and we knew that going in. Also, this was a last minute cruise for us. We booked it like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. If I had kids or anything that was going on this cruise, it definitely would be a lot more I would have to bring. But yeah, so we are going to have a lot of fun on our cruise, and thanks for watching this video. Bye!